Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Interesting. I think what I'm going to do is the nested template. I'm going to temporarily not give it a background so that I can't see it. We're going to give this a radial gradient. This color, 40 pixels, and transparent. We're going to make that one cube, make it a circle. Let's see whether or not that's going to match. Let's just move it up, so more with 20 pixels. That looks fairly close to me. And then below this, we're going to use a conic-gradient at 80 pixels. On 40 pixels. Uh, 75%. Shift this into place. 160 across. Let's make it 100 pixels down. 30, 140, 150. Okay. It's looking reasonable. Now we're going to set this background to this color first. We're going to give it some margins. 120 and 40 maybe. Oh, that's too much. About 100. 110. And 100. Perfect. Then we're going to set border radius to 1 inch. She'll get those. And then this background, we're actually going to make a radial gradient. This purple for 20 pixels. And that. We're going to remember to set one cube to make it a circle. Just going to measure between this outside to a cool maybe 120. Make it 60 pixels, so 0/60 pixels. Set this as minus 10 pixels. Nope. How about 10 pixels? Perfect. That is a 100% match. So let's minify and unit replace. That's not a bad score. Can we do it better? Might be able to do it with 3 elements, maybe. Let's go for the element template. Set this to this color. Wait, it's going to be 200. We're not going to use a width. Use margin of 90, 40, about 150. We can do border radius bar 1 in 0 0. Perfect. That gets us that. We want another P. They're going to make this bar H, not 2000. We'll do plus P. H is going to be what, 60? $110, 70, 110, 190, so 80. Margin 0, 100. Make this minus 100. 90, it's too much. Might be right. The bottom's looking in the right place, so yeah, that's probably right. Then we make radius just 1 inch for everything. Have I made it too narrow? So this is going to be 92. Perfect. And we want one more P. This time the height is going to want to be 40. Think that I might need to, let's just check whether or not that's in the right place. It is. Nope. 82, it's too much. 172 should be that circle. Get rid of this. Do book shadow. Inset this color. There we go. What, 80 pixels, 0. Not 80, how about 60? 60 looks like it'll be right. Also just set the color to the purple. And get rid of that. Minus 60 pixels, 0. That should give us all of those bits. And then this background needs to be the purple. That should also be 100%. I don't know if that's going to work out any shorter. Unify, unit replace. It's a little bit longer. Get rid of that, that. Yeah, it's still a little bit longer. Now, the question is, would this have been shorter if I just use one character? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Save 3. That's another 3. I think this is actually shorter if I use the full word height. Get rid of this bar. It is. Are there any other saves that I could make? Still longer than my first solution. Let's change that body to an ampersand. Okay, that's looking very much like my first solution was the better one. Is there any other way we can do this? Let's load the best solution that we've got. Get rid of that space, I can. Can I get rid of this? Yes. Probably means I can also get rid of that. Can't get rid of that one. The only thing that would really make this nicer is if I could get rid of this radial gradient. But I just can't think of a way of doing that. How wide did I say this was? 60, 240, so 80. Do this as 20%. Wouldn't save me any characters though, other than that space. If I make this 40%. Just shift it down a bit. %, 42%, no, about 39%, 38. Make that 50 again, and then let's go upwards with this. About 45, 46, 47. Oh, close to 3 pixels. So close. 42. I actually need it to be this high, so what we got? 190 to 290, so 100 is 33%. Let's shift this down. 6 pH maybe? About 63. About we make that 30 VH. And make that 64. 63. Oh, are you kidding me? Why do I get a feeling that's like 2 pixels? That'd be 99 pixels, and we probably want 100. 101, you're kidding me. If I only move it 60, then be 110. A unit replace, 110 doesn't do anything useful. 120 might though. But that's if I so that's 1 pixel. 1 pixel. That's 150, 149. It's don't think that shortens. So close, so close. 100 pixels is 25 VW. Let's go 50 VH. Pixels. Okay, there we've got the same problem. We've made it 120, which would be 30. 55, 6. I suppose I can use a percentage here, can I? No. So 50 pixels. 40 VH. 45, 46. 40. Okay, it's just 1 pixel too many. It's annoying when you're messing with 1 pixels. Oh, you're not going to get with a VH. So can't get it with W. T2 140 20 42 290 150. What I really want is 160 because then I can use 40 VW. That. Oh, 30 pixels isn't going to go either. Close though. Make it 160 high. And it's still the shortest answer I've got. Okay, that is where I'm going to leave it. I can't see anything else obvious that I can trim or anything. I might come back to this one again at some point in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.